Right. Do a little status update here. We've got the, I guess it'd be the instrument panel supports in. Getting ready to drill everything to final hole size, and then I can take it apart and deburr it. Still gotta back drill these. These are kind of a pain because this skin, these holes were pre-drilled into the longerons. The longerons were small, so I had to open up the longerons based on these holes. And then now I gotta open up this top skin based on those, which is kind of a pain. Would have been nice if everything just came number 40 already, or only number 40, that way I didn't have to open them up individually. I've got this all roughed in. Should be ready to be final riveted, but I think I'm going to leave this all cleat-coat in for now. That way I've got access in there for running fuel lines and stuff. Controls are pretty much in down there. Still got to get to those. Right, once I take all this out, I'll clean those parts up. And the other night I did all of these, so I got my top skin finally in. Not sure if I want to rivet this on yet or not. I don't know if anything, I think some of the plastic might come underneath here or over the top, not sure. So I'll wait till I get my finishing kit, I think, for those ones.